Welcome to the Hybrid Geek Installer Training. In this video, we'll walk you through a full hybrid battery replacement for a second-generation Toyota Prius. This process will guide you from interior disassembly to battery replacement and through final reassembly after the test drive. Let's get started. Step 1. Trunk prep and safety disconnect. Begin by opening the trunk and removing the floorboard and storage container to expose the spare tire. Next, lift and remove the trunk privacy trim. This piece will pop up and out with gentle pressure. Then, locate and remove the orange safety plug. This is your high voltage disconnect. Removing it is critical for safety. Now, gently lift up and remove the bottom trunk trim panel. Step 2. Side panel and seat access. Move to the back seat area. Carefully lift and remove the driver's side interior side panel near the seat back. Then, fold the rear seats down. Repeat this process on the passenger side. Remove the side panel and fold the seat down. Return to the trunk and remove the driver's side rear trunk panel, located near the tail light. Now, locate the two bolts securing the back seat support. Remove both. Next, detach the two clips and Velcro strips securing the trim to the back of the seats. Once that's free, you can pull up and remove the large rear trim panel, exposing the hybrid battery. Step 3. 12-volt battery and final trim removal. Locate the 12-volt battery on the passenger side of the trunk and disconnect it. Now remove the 10mm nuts on both sides of the trunk to release the remaining side paneling. Don't forget the plastic rivets holding the panels down. With those removed, you can now take off the side paneling completely. Next, locate and remove the 4 14mm nuts that secure the lower rear seat brackets. Once removed, you'll be able to lift out the seat backs entirely, giving you full access to the hybrid battery. Step 4. Disassemble and remove the hybrid battery. Start with the vent system. There are two clips securing the vent to the hybrid battery. Remove the clips and gently pull the vent out. Now remove the top bracket on the driver's side. There are 7 12mm nuts holding it down. Once removed, you'll expose the electronic shield. Remove the nuts holding the electronic shield, then lift it off carefully to expose the battery's ECU and terminals. Remove the two orange cable connections connected to the battery terminals. Take care not to let these cables touch each other. Then, disconnect the 3 sensor plugs and tuck them aside safely. Move to the passenger side. There are approximately 6 12mm nuts securing the bracket. Remove them and lift the bracket out. Now, remove the bolts that hold the hybrid battery to the vehicle's frame. Detach the lower vent by removing its clips and 1 10mm nut, then remove the vent completely. At this point, the battery is no longer secured. Use proper lifting posture and carefully walk the battery out of the vehicle. Get assistance if needed. Do not attempt to lift it alone. Step 5. Installing the new hybrid battery. Bring the new sodium hybrid battery into the vehicle and gently position it. Begin by reinstalling the bottom vent, securing it with clips and the 10mm nut. Now reconnect the 3 sensor plugs into the battery ECU. Then, reinstall the 2 orange cable connections back to the terminals. Be careful not to over-tighten. Next, reinstall the electronic shield, followed by the left side bracket with all 12mm nuts. Move to the right side and reinstall the right side bracket using the original nuts. Secure the battery to the frame of the vehicle by reinstalling the previously removed bolts. Once the battery is fully mounted, reinstall the top vent system and make sure it's properly clipped into place. Now you can reconnect the 12-volt battery. Finally, reinsert the orange safety plug to reconnect the high-voltage system. Step 6. Test drive and final reassembly. Before reinstalling any interior panels, it's time for a test. Start the vehicle and monitor for any warning lights or unusual behavior. Then, take the vehicle on a 10-minute test drive. If no hybrid battery-related codes return, You're clear to proceed with reassembly. Reinstall the rear seats, panels, and trim exactly as they were found. Ensure all clips, bolts, and fasteners are tightened properly. Double-check that. The orange safety plug is fully seated. The seat sensors are reconnected. All trims are flush and secured. Great job! Your installation is complete. As a reminder, we're not just here to replace batteries. We're here to deliver a professional 5-star experience. Always show up looking sharp, speak clearly with the customer, and leave their vehicle better than you found it. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Hybrid Geek Installer team.